moon ball. Give me that. Oh, you see that? Dang! Must be the low moon gravity. Oh, that's one small shot for man, 2 giant points for mankind.
Jake, come on in.
I gotta go.
All right. I'll talk to you later.
All right, man. See you.
All right.